Hello everyone. Today we'll be going through very interesting and tricky question, which is a fraction over fraction question, and in so this will be very disturbing for so many students. Fraction over fraction technique you should learn. So I will explain fraction over fraction first. Then we will move to the question. Fraction over fraction. Fraction over fraction is having three types of situations. Number one, we can have a fraction like, for example, 2 over 5 and divided by, like, for example, it will be a whole number like 5 over 2 over 3. First, I will write the types, then I will explain. Like, for example, second situation can be 5 over 7, and this is like 9 over here. And the third type will be like another fraction like 2 over 3 and main fraction, then 7 over 5. So this type of situation. So in this case, for example, if first I'll do this one, second one, which is where we have a fraction in numerator. In this case, we will be just pulling it down, and after pulling it down, our new situation will be 5 over 7, and it will be multiplied by 9. So in this case, we have just pulled down the fraction in numerator. We have pulled down. And in case of first one, this one, where we have fraction in denominator of the main fraction, so we will be switching it. We will be taking reciprocal of 2 over 3. And to explain, reciprocal of 2 over 3 will be what? Will be 3 over 2. So we will write 3 over 2, and then we will write 5 over here. And this is the technique which we are tackling if fraction is in denominator. Now the third scenario, in which we have fraction in numerator as well as fraction in denominator. So we will be using both of these techniques, and we will be pulling this numerator fraction down, and we will be taking reciprocal of this fraction. And after taking reciprocal and pulling down, what will be the new situation? So we will pull down 2 over 3. So this will be the main fraction, and 2 over 3, and reciprocal of this will be 5 over 7, and this will be the situation. And answer to this one will be 10 over 21. Answer to this will be what? This will be 5 over 63, and answer to this fraction will be 15 over 2. So this is how we are solving fraction over fraction. Hopefully you understood this. Now let us go through the question. Before going through the question, there is a small rule which we have explained over here in the box, and this is the third rule, which third basically the scenario which we discussed over here is summarized in this box also. A B over C D. A B is numerator fraction, A over B, C over D is denominator fraction. So to keep in mind, technique you can keep in mind is that you will have to multiply A and the outer one you will have to multiply and write as numerator, and inner one you will have to multiply and write as denominator. So this is one way of keeping this in mind. Hopefully you understood this. Let us move to the question, which is involving fraction over fraction rule, so we will understand this better. Now what we can do, we can first we have to basically solve this portion, this one. So we will solve this portion, and this one I will write separately 1 minus 1 over x minus 3. So we can solve this separately, and we will take LCM. So it will be x minus 3 and here we can write 1. So this one multiplied by this will be here, so 1 into x minus 3, and this multiplied by this will be after this minus sign, so minus 1 into 1, and this will be simplified. We will open the brackets, it will become x minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 3, which will be simplifying to x minus 4 over x minus 3. Now this is the result which we will be replacing over here. So we'll be replacing over here and we will be getting new fraction 1 minus 1 over this value I'm replacing over here, x minus 4 over x minus 3. So this will be fraction over fraction, and now we will be applying the same rule which I have explained you. So we will rewrite it 1 minus, and we know that if fraction is in denominator we will have to take reciprocal of it. So reciprocal will be what? This will be 1 into x minus 3 will go up and x minus 4 will remain over here. If you are confused here, then go back and revise this fraction over fraction rule and come back to this step. Hopefully you understand this. Now after this one, multiplication of 1 will make no difference, so we'll remove this one and we are having this. Now we can take again LCM, the same method which I have done over here I will be repeating over here. So LCM will be x minus 4 and this will be 1 over 1, and we will be writing here 1 into this will be 1 into x minus 4 minus sign which is in between, and then we will be multiplying these two and writing here it will be 1 into x minus 3. Now we can open the brackets, and after opening brackets this will be x minus 4 and minus multiplied by x will be minus x, and minus multiplied by minus 3 will become plus 3 and divided by x minus 4. Now further we can simplify whatever cancellations possible. We will cancel plus x, we can cancel with minus x, and the remaining we can write minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1 over x minus 4. We can write this as answer, or we can accommodate this minus also and we can rewrite final answer, like for example minus 1 over, we can take minus 1 common from here and we can write 4 minus x, and we can cancel these two. Our answer will be 1 over 4 minus x. So this can be answer or this can be answer, both are basically correct answers. Hopefully you understood this. This was a little tricky question. Now don't forget to subscribe the channel, also press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos. Recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.